Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tyler. You also know me as the Geode Cracker and Collector. Today, I have got 6 geodes in store that we are going to be cutting today on my 10-inch slab saw made by the company High Tech Diamond. If you guys are curious about that company, High Tech, I'm going to have a link to their website down in the description below. Be sure to check them out. If you guys do decide to get anything from their website, be sure to use promo code GCC to receive 10% off your order. That does not include machines. All right, now that that is out of the way, these geodes right here come from Hancock County, I believe. These are from Illinois, out in the area of the Keokuk geodes and things like that. So in that general vicinity, out near the Mississippi on the western side of Illinois. These were sent in by a subscriber who did not want to be named, so I will not say anything, but he sent us some of these. So we've got some that we're going to be cutting open today, and then we've got some that will be cut open another day this week. You guys will see that video very soon, I am sure. But without further ado, I think we are going to go from smallest to biggest. We're going to start with this little guy right here. Alrighty, and let's see what we got in geode number 1. Mostly solid, but that is okay. We're going to see some close-ups here in a second. Not too bad for the first one. We're going to move on to geode number 2. And yes, it is chilly in the garage. You can see my breath. But that's alright. We're going to keep on cutting. Let's see what is in geode number 2. Also solid, but it looks like we might have maybe a little bit of banding going on hiding there. We'll get that cleaned up, and we're going to see that right now. We'll move on. I'm confident we're going to get to a hollow geode here. But that is the joys of geodes. You really don't know what's going to be inside until you cut open or crack open, break open, however you want to do it. Most of the time you don't know until you do it. But let's see. We're going to get on with geode number 3. Number 3. Let's see. Got another another solid one. nature of the game. I really hope we don't end up with with all solid ones here, but I think the big one is going to be the hollow one. All right. Here we go. Geode number 4. Alright, we got a little bit of banding going on in there, some agate, some chalcedony, some sort. A little bit of a cavity. We'll check it out up close here. Oh man! Woo! Chilly, chilly, chilly. Alrighty. We've got 2 geodes left. Hoping that these 2 are hollow. If not, then the next video of cutting the geodes from Illinois will be a good one, because I know there's a couple of rattlers in that little group. Us. Killing me. Oh. Come on, don't be a dud. We got the last one here. Oh man. Geode! No! Oh, look at that little cavity. What a bummer. You know, sometimes things don't always go the way you want them to. These still ended up being pretty nice. We'll get them all cleaned up. We'll get some pictures of them out in the sun so we can really appreciate what's going on inside of them. But, you know, when you're cutting geodes, you hope for some hollow geodes, but like I mentioned earlier on, it's just the nature of the game. You really don't know until you know. And this time, unfortunately, they're all solid. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. drop a like, leave a comment if you don't mind. I would appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. We are slowly approaching, well, I say slowly and it's not slowly, we are rapidly approaching the 1 year anniversary of my channel. The 1 year is going to be January 27th. Will be 1 year since I've uploaded my very first video to YouTube, and my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by then. And as I record this right now, I am 127 subscribers away, so hopefully when this video comes out, that number will be a little bit higher. But if you don't mind, share this video around. Share it with all your rock-loving friends. Let them know what's going on, and let them know that there's an absolutely crazy giveaway going on once I reach 1,000 subscribers. And there's going to be a video coming out very soon to let everybody know what's going to be inside of that giveaway. So keep an eye out for that video. It should be out sometime next week. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a fantastic night. And be sure to stick around and watch the photos at the end while we check these things out in the sunlight. Have a great day.